People, before you travel comot for Nigeria go any country, I want you to bear one thing in mind, because this video I'm going to let you watch, and what I'm going to say here is gonna give you a guideline, because a lot of people who travel to Europe, who travel to America, who travel to different countries, different part of the world today, all of them want to come home. And what is the reason why they want to come home? There's no place like home. Do you know that the life you are living in your home today, you are enjoying it? At least hunger may be your problem, but light bills, other bills, so many things, racism, not being a midst of family, nobody to talk to, you have problem, you solve it by yourself. There's a lot of things out there in outside country and people are facing through. But when they come home, they are well loved by their family, they see somebody to talk to, they don't think of so many bills, they don't think of so many things. So you that is planning to travel, let me give you a key so that this will help you tomorrow.
If you know you have any plan to travel out of Nigeria and move to another country, either you want to relocate or you want to go and work and live in another country, listen to what Donaza has brought. This is a one in a lifetime information. In fact, let me not talk too much. Listen to him.
Hello, you are welcome to this class. Assume you are given $50,000, 50 KUSD. Will you return back to the zoo? You know there's this country where they call zoo. Are you going to return back to the zoo? In this class, we're going to look at why in the zoo, the rejected stone becomes a better option than the US and the UK. You know, say not will do this type of topic, talking about Jackpa and reverse Jackpa. Now I want you today. Just as this guy said, he said Nigerians, one of their goals in life now to relocate because say the country no good.
Everyone in Nigeria knows it. It's the most failed country on the planet. The best thing anyone in Nigeria ever dreams of doing is leaving and going to a different country. That is everyone in Nigeria's dream, is to leave Nigeria, and everyone knows it.
But when you come make Percy return back to that country where it no good. We're going to hear from them and some other places. By the way, before we start, when did they make Percy come up for a country? And economy. That is one of the reasons. Jobs are scarce. Graduates only get jobs. Youth unemployment around 50% plus. Prices of food and goods keep rising. Inflation. Naira keeps losing value for several years. Many people cannot plan their future. One of the reasons why they come up for a country like Nigeria. So people think, I want to escape suffering. I want better salary. They look for another country to survive, to fulfill these goals. Another reason, safety fear. People worry about kidnapping, violence, terror attacks. Family say, let us relocate before something bad happens to us. Some people live just to stay alive. Yet, waiting to come make person come back to that place where they call zoo. System not working well. Bad electricity, poor hospitals, bad roads, corruption. They lose hope in the country because of all this. In summary, because of hopelessness, feeling stuck in life, no clear future, bad economy and low income, fear for safety, poor services and leadership, lack of trust in the system. So many people believe stay means struggling forever. Stay in Nigeria means struggling forever. Living means a chance to breathe, a chance to survive, a chance to give our children a better future. Yet, some people no work come out for the same country if you knock them 50 USD. And some people, if you drop 50 USD for them, they will come back to Nigeria. So the question is, if I give you 50,000 USD, would you come back to Nigeria?
As I'm making this video, I have only 10 euros in my bank account now. In fact, so many people living in Western countries are living in minus. That is, they have overdrafts. It is very difficult, that is impossible, to see anybody living in Europe or Western countries who has 20,000 euros cash. But go to Africa, you see businessmen who can give you 100,000 euros, 200,000 euros, 300,000 euros cash. But here in the West, nobody has that money. I want to end this video here. My name is Rudy. This is to tell you how poor most guys that are living abroad are. See you.
You don't hear that so? It not say for Europe, people are broke. People they broke well. Make no near that side. But some people will tell you, say, for Europe. I remember one of my friends called me one time and say, forget those guys, so I didn't make money for Europe. You get the point now. I am not using this class to attack anybody. I'm saying with all this insecurity, many things where they go for Nigeria, people still won't come back to Nigeria. And people don't want to come out from Nigeria. It means Nika only they the country where they call Nigeria. Listen to this one too.
America no favor me. I'm not ashamed to say it. America no favor me. Only thing I have is criminal records, arrest. It's all I got from USA. So after 23 years, bro, I have told myself, listen, man, it is better for me to have access to America. I can go whenever I want to go see my family. Maybe 10 days, 2 weeks, or maybe 4 days later, I turn around and come back to the zoo, honestly. Because the American society is not conducive for my mental well-being and my physical well-being. You understand me? In America, my self-confidence is in the gutter. I can't even talk to girls. I lack confidence when I'm in America. I lack confidence. I can't talk to girls. I'm always lonely. If I spend 9 months, I'm lonely for 9 months. If I spend 2 years, I'm lonely for 2 years. This means endless masturbation. It gets tiring. You feel me? If you want to talk to a girl, first I'm worrying about my accent. Is she gonna laugh at me? Am I adequate? You know, like the society has an atmosphere where a black man is worth nothing. He has to overprove himself before he can get any ounce of respect. This is not how I want to live my life. Out here, I'm worth something. Everybody's black. Everybody's dark skinned. You feel me? Yes. And also, the society is not good for my physical well-being because, bro, if you see what's going on these days, you go vomit. I even see blonde white woman being manhandled by ICE. You feel me? And I was shocked, bro. If they treat white woman like this, me we get accent, me we come from Africa, bro. So all these things is what I'm thinking, man. For real, I love having access to USA, coming to USA whenever I want, staying as long as I want. My mansion money, which is swimming pool on top, came from Nigerians in diaspora and Nigerians in Nigeria. Yes, that fight I had with Portable was how I finished my decking. That money helped me well in finishing my decking. That fight did not take place in Las Vegas. It took place in Lagos. It is better to be in a forest climbing tree and be free than to be in the center of everything and end up in a cage, bro.
You hear me? In the thought say the money where you don't make for this life, money where you don't touch, where don't you do better thing. Now inside Nigeria, you make it. So for the other side, now discrimination, racism, they know they accept person the way you be. You need to form to survive. As so many things. Although his experience is different from others' experiences, still many possibilities say na Nigeria enjoyment day. Anything you look for in Nigeria, as long as you have pepper, you have dough. You don't hear us. So let's listen to our sister.
Ice people, you will be ruining yourselves. What is it? Kilo day? All the fourth amendments, they are just putting their hands in it. They don't care. They don't know old, they don't know young, they don't know woman, they don't know man. They're just treating people like they're a piece of trash. President Trump, give us time. Give us time. Let us gather ourselves together. We have been in this country for a very long time. We cannot just live like that. Give us time. Give us time. We are asking for time. We will leave your country for you. We will gather our family members. We will gather our children and we will leave. We will leave. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Because if you think that you are not concerned with this ICE situation, it is coming to you. Everybody, as an immigrant, as a black, as a Spanish, everybody will have a taste of them. I am very sure. Everybody is living in fear. Everybody is living in agony. Everybody. This nurse that they killed that man on a broad daylight on a busy road. Kilo day, what did we do? The only thing that we committed is that we came to America. We said we are looking for a greener pastures. Our greener pastures has turned to black right in front of us. President Trump, give us time. We will leave. We will all leave America. We will leave. Because how many years have you spent? Only 1 year. And everybody is living in fear like this. How many years more? 3 years before you killed everybody. Mother will leave the house. They will not be able to return. Children will leave the house. They will not be able to return because ICE has killed them. ICE has killed the mother, the father, the children. ICE, they are going into people's house to pick people. How long are we going to live like this? President Trump, give us time. We will leave. We will all leave America. If that's what you want, if that's the way you want it, we will all leave. We will leave your country for you. We will leave your country for you and your mothers, your fathers that are in nursing homes, that are in group homes, your mentally challenged individuals that are in nursing homes. Let's see who is going to take care of them. They will all rot. They will all rot. No problem. We will leave. Thank God we still have our country. Whether our country is bad or not bad, people are there, they are surviving. The fear is not this much. The fear in Nigeria, it is not this much. Enough is enough. We are going to leave. Give us time. Just give us time. 1 year, let us gather ourselves together. At least we have worked in this country. Let us gather all the money that we have made. Let us gather everything that we have done. Let us pack ourselves. Let us be able to ship all our belongings back home. Let us be able to sell our house. If we want to sell our cars, let us be able to sell it. Or we ship them back home. And then we return. It's time to return. That is what you are telling us invariably. And we will return. It is not a problem. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I have a girl who worked at my shop. She cannot come to shop just because of ice. She cannot come to work just because of ice.
You don't also hear that when America come dey hot past Nigeria, it's not hotter than Nigeria. America come dey hot past Nigeria. Nigeria police come better pass. Although we get insecurity for Nigeria, for US, remember say every now and then, because everybody carry gun. So recently I saw a video. A Nigerian student who finish for UK come apply for jobs. Jobs. We are not forthcoming. She got to come back to Nigeria. She got come back. Mo see that our sister. Go and watch the full video here. Our channel is the Bora Bombs. So I left the UK to start over in Nigeria. This is a video. Let's watch part of it.
Today is my last day in the United Kingdom. So a little over 3 years ago, you guys watched me get my visa to the UK. You saw me pack my life in suitcases and travel across continents to go study in the United Kingdom. You saw me go to school on my first day. You saw me trying to adjust as an immigrant and life in the UK, even down to my graduation. But what you didn't see was how close I was to losing everything that I was trying to build, and that is a part of my story that didn't make it on camera. At some point, I stopped counting, but I made approximately 3,000 job applications and I went on 24 interviews in the search of a sponsor job. 24 interviews, and none of them worked out. I just never quit.
You don't see us. Why should they return? Because say just no day. Many Nigerians in the UK, the wahala be say work no day. Graduate, master's degree holders for UK. No time me say they no upgrade. No, they upgrade. Care can be the only option. Even the care not call even they say. So another reason why person go carry load come out for UK say that place where they call zoo and the only place me I go back to that side. Before we leave a channel, if you look at a channel, they do many videos. I want to analyze a channel. Look at this video. 1 month ago, 2,200 views. 1 month ago, 1,900 views. 1 month ago, 1,100 views. 2 months ago, 1,500 views. Just small numbers. All of a sudden, she dropped this video of relocation as at now. Or yesterday when I screenshot her. Now 140k dog John. What a jump. What did this one tell you so? It means say people shock. Many people want to see what they carry out they go Nigeria. Because many people they desire this thing, but they don't get the strength, they don't get the mind to take that action and relocate to Nigeria. So many people they want to return back to Nigeria. But one thing on the other, they need to take that move. Very rare story. More videos online. I escaped Nigeria. Now what they say? This one called say I left abroad. I call the return back to Nigeria. That is unusual. So the curiosity they trigger people they watch out. It means say many people want to return. They want to say how that person do. His story people be like my own. This one people encourage me. Others are shocked. What did they worry? What say the reason? Get the point my hand. Right now, many Nigerians discuss relocation, cost of living abroad, loneliness abroad, regret after leaving Nigeria. So all this type of people, they are all attracted. Get the point now? Now, make her suggest some tips for her. I know say she go see this video. We don't do videos on air tutorial, many things. What content don't find you, sister? What content don't find you now? No go force yourself, go back to waiting no find you. There are some people, they are called by content. Some other people, now they call content. If you call content, wahala dey. If na content call you, you go make her. The next video now, not about air, remain in the same topic. Now when you say this niche don't find you, people want to see the next thing to grab attention now. Next will be like, my first 7 days back in Nigeria, what shocked me? Remain in this life for now. This is make, you need to dig am, make am. UK biz versus Nigeria biz. I'm just suggesting you, if you don't do any of this, but remain in this. My real monthly expenses. The loneliness abroad, nobody talks about. Thank God I relocate back to Nigeria. What's showing that light to me about living abroad? These are new viewers. You need to feed them. They are God this something for you to feed them. It must be related, sister. Why am I doing this? So that other content creators go learn how niche to find you. If you run away, if you want to come back after a long time, you don't come out to. Who should not relocate abroad? Important truth. These are the type of topics. My happiest day after coming back to Nigeria. Work abroad versus hustling in Nigeria, which is harder. Things like this. If I could choose again, would I still live Nigeria? Okay. If you want to marry, run to Nigeria. Everything should be tailored towards relocation, coming back to Nigeria, everything. Because you are now like an expert in this area. Not just an expert, you have experienced it. You came back. Don't be say you read book or somebody told you or you are telling another person's story. Just a side note. Now, look at this our guy where they discourage stay in Nigeria too long. Say, not gonna relocate to balance.
No time. Like I tell you. If anybody they tell you say there's nothing in America, there is nothing abroad, there is nothing in Europe, nothing overseas, now deceive them, they deceive you. Abroad na sure banker. Where you they say code we know the fail. Now updates we know the cast. Go and check all the big people. Right from Zico, Awo, Vinta Fabelewa, all of them, down to Tinubu where they rule now. Many of our people, where they get and play, both home and abroad, they get contacts here. Go check all these people where they take their children, go abroad. Every time, then they take their children, all these them, all these Ganduje, all of them, their children, they school for abroad. My brother, anything where some of these big men, they do, because of future, they emulate them as in they position their children to come and rule us later. Now, because of waiting they do, where you know they do. Abroad, now one kind of place where we say, like say our papa them gets the contact where we get. Like say they come here before us, things for no rough for us. So all my preaching, that's the main thing. They say if you have opportunity, don't let anybody tell you say nothing there. There is things there. You get people where nothing. They know they do. They know if you pay for house rents when they bongo, but when they come here within 5 years, things where they never do in the past 30, 20 years, they do them. That's the magic here, because here opportunity there. Don't be saying any other thing. Once you know say you can walk and you strong, your body not be say you the sick. You don't have to strong like a caterpillar. No, just that you are not sick, so you can do so many things. Do you understand? It's possible if you have opportunity to travel. It's better for you to travel later come back than just go at all. If na suffer, they tell you say then they suffer, go follow them suffer. When you go there, be like person where do apprenticeship, then go and look for money to establish yourself. Yankee be like person where go university in the olden days. You know, in the olden days, when you go school, come out, you are sure of tomorrow. Before things come spoil, once you go to school, you go university, you go day school, you don't get job. Now so here be here anything where you they do. Maybe you go one thing to learn one thing, anything. You go see there. They don't come to hire you. Now so Yankee be, now so abroad be. So don't let anybody tell you there's nothing there. There is a lot here. A lot, especially for person who come from background where they struggle, we no get background. If people where their papa get them, they talk, there's nothing there. Now you listen, but no be you, we know nothing. Now you be the all and all. So be careful, no time.
And this our sister Billy say there are some guys who still need assistance to leave Nigeria. Say if you want marry, what you just need to do now to lower a guy. Say make I reduce the quality of man where I want for my life. Say some of una still work on board.
If I want to get married next week, I'll get married next week. Next week, this next week. All I need to do is to drop my guard. I'm a nurse, so let me bring my bragging rights. Registered nurse, UK, United States, Nigeria. Let's start with the UK. That I'm seeing the UK. I'm a nurse on a Tier 2 visa. Said no man, like the worst case scenario. I'll go to Nigeria. I'll one bobo will say, oh, beautiful girl, or maybe those that like me before. I'll just go and I'll give them the visa to stay. If I the person, now run, he go take marry me, make you come. But never. Affliction can never rise a second time. Just trying to clear some of you doubts. Say in worst case, say na marriage be my problem. Now to pick anybody who they for streets. I will go Nigeria, go give man visa. Or here that I am in the UK, I will get a student, right? That I will date, and I will give that student. I'll put him as my dependent, because marriage they make me crazy. Marriage they make me crazy. You understand? I'll give the students a visa. Or in worst case, I will decide to move to the United States with my license, that using the visa route that will even give me PR on arrival. Then I go get one bobo follow body. Marriage, you go yes, I carry and go United States. You know how Nigeria hard. You know how it hard, and you know how many people from this UK they run go United States. You know how many? I go carry and go. Marriage, but no, we don't do that here. We don't do what? We don't do that here, because affliction will not rise again. Or all those ones from my inbox, or all the ones that have decided to hear them talk, and I know that it's cobweb that fool their brain. I will decide to ignore the cobwebs in their brain, because marriage they make me crazy. I say, okay, let's go. Marriage is very easy, especially for a girl like me, an ugly girl like me. Marriage is very easy for an ugly girl like me, but I have pride and I have sense, and I know that affliction will not rise for the second time. That is the message I come to tell you women, so that I keep deceiving you people. That is the message of today.
You looking at the way people they complain for that side and the issue in Nigeria, which one would you prefer? What do you think? Make a drop off a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Okay, my people, now don't watch the video of the people where they complain and the people where no they complain. Now let me tell you one thing. There is a friend. This guy learned carpentry work. Is a good furniture. You know how to do chairs and so many things. Anything concerning furniture is very perfect on it. So at a time, this guy just disappear. And so where we see him is in Nigeria. Then the next thing we hear that this guy have gone broke. But he have luck. he return back again to start hustling. So before you make a decision to travel, and when you are there, the pain is too much. Before you make a decision to go back, think wise. I'm going to tell you, as somebody who want to come and somebody who want to go back, somebody who is in the system but you are feeling the pain already, because in 3, 4, 5, 6 years the pain must come. But at that time you come, you are enhanced to get document, you are enhanced to get this, you are enhanced to get. Once you start getting those things, you start realizing that my body is going down. Oh, then the next thing is how to go back. If you want to come, please don't sell your property, especially land. Look for a way to go out to travel. Then if you are there, anything you are doing, be building yourself coming home. If it is establish the business you already know, establish it. Leave these people telling you if you are not there, your business will run down. This day, even though you want to employ somebody, there must be a court or whatever process the person have to go undergo and sign. Once the person fail anything or mistake anything, it danger his family house or anything to pay for whatever damage it cost you. So the days have gone when you will say, I am not there, I cannot put business. So that business you know before. If you're a furniture guy, even though if you're a mechanic, remember that you can establish that mechanic, make it in a very big way, ultra modern one, so that people will love to come there. There's computer to check cars, that things. You can do it. If you're a carpenter, you cannot have a show house and employ boys that will work for you and put in your show house and start selling and making money. So you can build yourself and go back home and feel good. I'm telling you the truth, there's a lot of suffer in our blood. True. But you will start seeing this pain after 10 years, 8 years, 7 years. Guys, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.